So, that as far as strictly according to the Shastras and according to Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur and Jiva Goswami, there are two stages chanting, Aparadnam and Shuddhanam. And then he just described, because these names, these are people, they're just waking up, they're yawning, hey Govind. He's just some pious person, or just maybe somebody saw a television show and some kid was called Govind. So he says, hey Govind. That's indirect. He's just saying, hey Govind. He saw it on some show where the cartoon character was called Govind. so he gets, that's Namabad, that's some benefit for him. He gets purified. So how purified? This is to the extent that even, basically this is a verse about the glorification of the power of the Nam. It's not to indicate that this is a stage that we must pass through, Namabad. This verse, because this whole Bhagavatam from the first canto to the 12th canto is oftentimes speaking about the sadhana, abhyas, the method of practice. In the first canto is Eitan Nirmani. It says that anyone who takes the holy name of the Lord, he gets perfection. That's first canto. Then the sixth canto, whole story of Ajamil. And last verse in 12th canto says Harinam Sankirtan. If you perform Harinam Sankirtan, you get everything. That's the last verse. That's how the book signs off. You get everything means you get Vrindavan, you get Madhurya Leela, you get Ras Leela, you get the Siddhadeya, you get everything. Just like Narada Muni got his Siddhadeya in the first canto, and Ajamil finally got his Siddhadeya, and Dhruva got his Siddhadeya, and Gajendra got his Siddhadeya, and the gopis that couldn't go out for the rasa dance, they gave up their body, they got Siddhadeya, and Putana got Siddhadeya. Not only Siddhadeya, but because in Laghu Bhagavatamrita it says the demons that Krishna kills. Only if Vishnu kills a demon, he gets liberated. Maybe Brahman Sayuja. But when Krishna kills a demon, at the time of death, it's very interesting, it says in Laghu Bhagavatamrita, at the time of death, Krishna gives him prem, and when you have prem, you have to have a siddhadeya, because it's personal. Krishna's a person. And when you have prem, you have to do prem seva. So seva means, where's your hands, where's your mouth? It means siddha sarup, spiritual body. So the example is Puta and all the other ones, which you can see. First canto of Bhagavatam, chapter 6, verse 28, says, Paryujamane, that when he gave up his Panchabhotika body, when Narada Muni gave up this material body made of earth, water, fire, ether, then as soon as he gave that up, then Vishnu immediately entered into the spiritual body, Paryujamane, which Vishnu had brought from Vaikuntha and gave to him.